One of the coolest things with Native Instruments expansion kits is that they come loaded with group kits that are actually just short beats where you can find samples within them. Today I'm going to go inside, find a sample and flip it. So I found a melody kit. It contains 5 patterns and they sound like this. Hey. Really nice, really nice. Really nice. So I really like the sound of pattern 2 and it sounds like this. So firstly, let's start with the drums. We've got a shaker, the first element. We'll go ahead and solo that. And I got this from the Crate Cuts expansion kit by Native Instruments. So next up is like a cowbell loop, and it goes like this. Not really a cowbell, but it sounds like a closed hat, but then pitched down. And I got this from, again, Crate Cuts. So lastly now, let's just check out the drums. It's a snare and a kick and a snare and a hi-hat. And it goes like this. So next up is the bass line, and I got this from the Faded Reels expansion kit. It's a sample, it's not a loop. And I played the notes in myself, and it goes like this. So before I play the beat, let's remind ourselves what the original sample sounded like. And this is my flip. Okay, so I'm going to play the beat. Like this video, stick around, become a friend, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be reminded when I drop a new video. I'll be seeing you in the next one.